Hi and aloha. Today we're going to check out the NEX Playground. They were kind enough to send me one. My daughter has cerebral palsy. She loves to play video games, but it's tough for her to use a controller. So I thought this controllerless video game system would be a cool solution for that. We've been going to Chuck E. Cheese a lot, and she likes those arcade games and stuff. So let's take a look at what goes on inside this cool new device. So as you can see, they got some ads for the games that come, Peppa Pig, some other ones young kids will like, a little bit of stuff about how it works. You can see the games, pretty cool collection. They keep adding stuff with the subscription, so I'm excited to check out what they got. So let's get it out of the box. That's pretty cool with the playground. Okay, so my nail wasn't able to do it, but we're just gonna go rip it off. So I want to make it child-proof. There we go, we're almost there. Oh, and there we go, released. Okay, oh, and look at that. Pretty snazzy. Give you guys the full tour. So looking good. Here we go. We got a little bit of plastic to peel off. That was nice. Good sound on that. Yeah, so you got HDMI and power. Looks like USB-C. Little camera and something there. So let's see what else we got in here. We got a controller, kind of like a Wii inspired. We got the power, I believe. There's USB-C, and I'm not sure what that's for, but maybe a way to wrap up your cord. Always very useful, appreciated. We got a big question mark. Tips. Stuff about how it works. A lot of good information there. I'll be sure to read it later. It's like kind of a stand of some point. Maybe you need to give it an angle. And then, whoa, we got a lot of cardboard underneath. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. So that's your NEX Playground. And I thought it'd be cool to take a look at how it compares to the old Xbox One Connect. And as you can see, it is just a fraction of the size, which is pretty cool. It's going to take a lot less of your tabletop or space in your home entertainment center or wherever you decide to put this thing. And this thing you could definitely travel with. I could see just throwing it in a bag so the kids have something fun to play while you're on the go. So I'm going to show it to my daughter. We might do another unboxing just for her, and then we'll play it, and I'll let you guys know how the games are and what we think of the product. Okay, aloha. Thanks for checking this out.